Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Madam Aisha Blue, and in this video I want to share with you how to tackle part 1 effectively. Tackling part 1. First, you have to understand your situation. Underline the keywords or phrases and make sure you understand what you have to talk about. Example: it is important to have a happy family. Suggest some ways parents can make their children happy. Okay, for candidate A, you have to give a presentation to your class. Talk about the importance of spending time together. Second, brainstorm for ideas. Jot down your ideas in clusters using keywords. Avoid writing your ideas in complete sentences. Plan and organize your ideas as you only have 2 minutes. Third, preparing your text for presentation, 2 minutes. Remember, you are not allowed to write after this. Number 4, presenting. It is important that you do the following. Use grammatically correct language, pronunciation and intonation. Use a variety of vocabulary and sentence structures. Use appropriate pauses. Speak confidently in a calm and clear voice. Maintain effective eye contact. Sit up straight and use some relevant hand gestures. Presenting introduction. Good morning, examiners and all the candidates. The task states that it is important to have a happy family for the physical, emotional, and mental growth of children. The upbringing of children is important to create happy children. Therefore, the role of parents in creating a happy family is important. In my opinion, parents can make their children happy by spending time with their children. Presenting body paragraphs. My main point is that the presence of parents in their children's lives make children feel loved and cared for. This means that children feel secure and develop positive behaviors and attitudes. At the same time, children become more confident and cooperative. For example, they are more willing to listen to their parents' advice as they know that their parents love and care for them very much, thus wanting the best for them. This leads to less behavioral problems such as aggressiveness, violence, and substance abuse. Thus, when parents spend time together with their children, the children feel contented and happy as they create happy memories together. Presenting body paragraphs. Besides, parents who spend time with their children get to enhance the bond with their children. There is better communication and lesser conflicts between parents and children. This is because parents gain the trust of their children, so their children are more willing to share their feelings. When children share their fears, worries, or excitement with their parents, parents develop more understanding and empathy for their children. On top of that, they inculcate strong family values whereby children will always confide in their parents whenever they face problems. A good example is when children are being bullied in school and they share their fears of going to school when they interact with their parents, either during meal times or reading times spent together. Hence, we can see that parents can make children happier by interacting with them and finding solutions to their problems when they spend time together on a frequent basis. Presenting body paragraphs. In addition, I would like to point out that it is important that parents spend time with their children as it can improve the mental health of their children. Having face-to-face interaction creates a strong emotional support that is important for the well-being of their children, not only emotionally but mentally as well. To elaborate, children who spend time together with their parents build a strong connection that can reduce their feelings of loneliness, anxiety, or depression. One example is children with more interaction with their parents are happier and feel less stressful. As a result, they are able to overcome any frustration or anxiety that they face in their lives. They become happier children because they have parents who sacrifice their time to be with them. Presenting conclusion. To summarize, I believe that spending time together is important in creating a happy family. The love and care shown by parents enhances the bond between parents and children and improves the mental health of their children. The benefits of parents spending time with their children is manifold. Therefore, I would conclude that parents can make their children happy by spending valuable time together. Thank you. Helpful tips, do's and don'ts. Read the situation, underline the keywords. Make sure you understand the task given. Link your task with the situation. Vary the volume of your voice to emphasize important points and to sound more interesting. Use standard English. Look at the other candidates while presenting. Sit upright, be calm and confident, and smile. Use appropriate hand gestures and body language. Maintain eye contact and listen attentively while others are presenting. Wear an appropriate attire. Come early to the examination center. Wear your mask. Eat your breakfast. Bring your MUAD or registration slip and your identity card. Always sanitize your hands before and after the examination. Don'ts. Use Manglish. Keep quiet or silent for a long time. Mumble, speak softly or shout. Use fillers like or ooh. Use peculiar speech habits like la, yeah, you know, and actually, or something like that, and so on. Fidget, fold your arms or shake your legs. Fiddle your pen or tap the table with your pen or fingers. Don'ts. Bring home the pencils prepared by the examiner in the examination room. Bring home the question paper. Come late to the examination center. Prepare all your notes in your handphone because it has to be off in the quarantine room. I wish all of you all the best in your speaking test. Bye.
La 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 la.